Hi. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been quite a while, but I've gotten questions on my muffler delete video on like what I actually did, and I didn't really explain it very well. So here's what I did. I actually bought the entire catback system from Flowmaster. I actually got it off Amazon, and after a while I decided to delete the mids. So here they are. These are the mids. I took these off probably after about, I don't know, I'll say a few months, probably like 6 months. I was really, I was just looking for that deeper tone. And I think I got it, but to be honest with you, the drone it's kind of crazy. Like if I'm cruising at 80 miles an hour in 8th gear, it's pretty loud. So I've actually been thinking about putting it back on. So hopefully that cleared up some things for you. But today we're actually going to be adding something new. We're going to be putting in a new cold air intake. I already have one from K&N. It's been in here for a while. As you can see, that used to be red, now it's just black. So that's K&N, and what we're going to be doing is we are going to put in an AFE cold air intake. I got this off Amazon as well. The reviews on it were good. Some people were saying they like it even better than K&N. So this is what we're going to do today, and I'll have some, I'll make some before and after like revs and some pulls and see how it actually sounds, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, we're finished. I think I'm gonna just roll with the throttle body out like that. No, I'm kidding. We got it out. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna assemble this AFE, and we'll get it on in there. It hasn't been too hard. I mean, we just took it out, so really easy. Yeah, it was really easy to take it out. So I can't remember how easy or hard it was to take out my stock one, but I'm pretty sure it wasn't that easy the way we just took that one out. So we'll be back.
Hard.
All right, so we got this filter in. We're getting ready to filter in the housing. That's in there really good. Getting ready to put in the tube. Got this piece on there. But yeah, trying to get that all together was harder than it should have been, but we were missing some pieces at first, but we got it. Got it in. Let's shed some light on that. It's looking real nice. And we're gonna turn her on and see how she does. Response is much better. It does seem a little bit louder, which is kind of cool. That's what we wanted. There's definitely more airflow getting through there now that the filter is all clean and new. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see me, but that's gonna do it for this video. As I was sitting there editing, it really came to me while I was apparently while I was editing, how much of a difference that the cold air intake actually made when you hear the rev side by side. I'm not too sure about driving and stuff like that. I think that may still sound a little almost the same, but the revs for sure, you really get that that big inhale as you're revving, and it sounds really good. So what do you think, babe?
Oh, it sounds like a beast.
Sounds like a beast, almost like a V8, right?
We got a long way to go.
That's true. But yeah, that'll do it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed. Have a good one.